Have you ever considered that what your grandparents experienced might, in a subtle way, influence your own health or behavior, even if it is not written directly in their DNA sequence? Non-genetic inheritance through epigenetics refers to the transmission of traits from one generation to the next without changes to the underlying DNA sequence itself. Instead, these inherited modifications involve chemical tags or markers that attach to DNA or its associated proteins, influencing how genes are expressed without altering the genetic code. Think of it like this: your DNA is the blueprint for a house. Epigenetic marks are like sticky notes that tell certain builders to read particular sections more often, or to ignore others, changing how the house is constructed without rewriting the original plan. These epigenetic marks can be influenced by environmental factors such as diet, stress, and exposure to toxins, and they can sometimes be passed down through sperm or egg cells to offspring. This phenomenon adds a fascinating layer to our understanding of heredity, showing that our inherited traits are not solely determined by the strict genetic code, but also by these dynamic regulatory layers. Scientists are actively researching how long these epigenetic changes can persist across generations and the specific mechanisms by which they are transmitted. For instance, studies in animals have shown that parental stress or diet can lead to observable behavioral or metabolic changes in their progeny, sometimes for several generations, without any DNA mutation. One key mechanism is DNA methylation, where methyl groups attach to DNA, typically silencing gene expression. Another is histone modification, altering how DNA is packaged, which can make genes more or less accessible for transcription. While it does not alter the fundamental DNA sequence, non-genetic inheritance through epigenetics provides a profound understanding of how our environment can leave a lasting, heritable footprint on our biology. This field is reshaping our view of evolution, disease susceptibility, and how life experiences can resonate through family lines.